Important hacks for successful YouTube channel. For professional businesses or brands, there is a needed social sites and website must. As a result, it gets like brand impressions. People's want to increases their business or services information with these social sites for the whole targeted area. One thing that should be kept on our mind that is we always love to find informative things for learning. In the cases, if that is provided including videos that are too attractive for us. People choose YouTube for learning, earnings and providing services with information. After all, second largest search engine is known as YouTube just after Google. In the previous time people are not so interested in this platform, but in the present time 2 billion active users per month. So, if anybody added a proper YouTube channel with his/her business related, it's really great branding. Some beginners of this platform are not use properly optimized policies for the channel. That they aren't getting well feedback. But if anyone's channels are well optimization, that moment obviously can get more viewers or visitors. For that there exists few hacks like banner for channel. When any visitors reach any channel, if these channels are included with optimizations, visitors take a few moments on this medium. Profile banner means like the cover photo, so make sure your channel's banners with branding colors must include a few images together, that's why it presents your channels. Promo videos. Promo videos mean introducing your channel's purposes with very short videos. It continues with an automated system like when any visitors get in the channels, this promo video will be automatically on. You can also set your website's link on this promo video's description. With this you can backlinks also. Playlist optimization. It is present that when your channel's available with more videos that you need to categorize them. Optimize them with the same branding colors, thumbnail images. URL customs. Try to create your URL with your website domain name. As a result, you can convert visitors to another's platform to others. But it is accessible for you after 100 subscribers. Optimizes descriptions with SEO. Though it is second largest search engine, that obviously you need to apply SEO algorithms to it. You can throw your main keywords on this part a couple of times like in the title and description.